Hi, I'm Tammy. So I'm going to make a cranberry bourbon sour. This is going to be a great drink for the winter, autumn time, for the cooler months. We're going to start with half of a lime that I've already squeezed. And I've got some sugar cubes over here, and I'm just going to toss 2 of those in here. And I'm going to muddle those into my lime juice. And I'm just doing that just so I can get them kind of dissolved before I add them into the shaker. Now, they probably would have dissolved in my shaker, but I just wanted to make sure that they did. All right, now we're going to put 2 ounces of bourbon into the shaker. I'm using Bullet. You can use whatever you like. It doesn't really matter. Whatever you prefer, use. I try to pick the heaviest bottle I can just because I want to make it hard on myself. All right, then we're going to put some cranberry juice in here. And the cranberry juice, you're going to add 3 ounces. So that in there as well. And then you're going to shake this up vigorously for about 30 seconds because you want that sugar to get mixed in with the bourbon and the cranberry. So I try to shake it until my fingers hurt, and then I know that it's shaking pretty well. All right. Then we're going to strain this over just a large ice cube. And I'm just going to throw in some fresh cranberries and a rosemary sprig as the garnish. And that's it. That is your cranberry bourbon sour. Now it's time to do the taste test. Cheers. Delicious. So the bourbon comes through. You can taste it. It's really smooth. It's not sweet, but it has like that nice cranberry flow. You can have the smell of the rosemary, so you got that aromatic kind of flavor coming through as well, because you get that through your nose. It's really nice. It's a great drink for the cooler months. I hope you try this drink. Thanks for watching. Cheers.